This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the construction type master data template in the property tax module. The construction type refers to the list of building construction types in the ULB limits considered for tax calculation. Digit property tax system has certain predefined categories, namely Pakka, Semi-Pakka, and Kakka. Download the data template to configure the construction type master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 4 data columns. In the construction type code column, provide a unique code for each type of construction. Now, enter the construction type name in English. And, finally, enter the local language name for the construction type. Update the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for construction type. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of construction type. Thank you.